for baby. 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 Cute baby. C is for candy. 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 Sweet candy. D is for dolphin. 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 Little dolphin. E is for elephant. 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 Big elephant. F is for fairy. Fairy. Flying fairy. G is for glasses. 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 Shiny glasses. H is for horse. 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 Running horse. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Cold ice cream. J is for jelly. 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 Yummy jelly. K is for keyboard. Keyboard. Click. Keyboard. L is for lion. 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 Roaring lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. Jumping monkey. N is for needle. Needle. Sharp needle. O is for orange. Orange. Juicy orange. P is for pony. Pony. Pretty pony. Q is for queen. 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 R is for rabbit. Rabbit. R. Rabbit. S is for sun. Hot sun. T is for train. 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 Use for umbrella. Umbrella. Unique umbrella. V is for van. Van. Kids van. W is for water.